Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying both file 001 and file 002 are in the same folder. This matters because joiners read sequence. Once confirmed, open your chosen joiner or extractor. Make sure you run it with normal privileges. Start the join operation by selecting file 001 as the primary input. Most tools auto-detect subsequent parts. If prompted, choose an output location with ample space. Do not skip this selection. It determines where the final combined file will be written. Once the join begins, watch the progress and log so you catch read errors early. You want to let the tool read file 001 and then sequentially append file 002. Many utilities do this automatically, but confirm the sequence in the UI or command line. If the tool offers a verify or checksum step, enable it now. This confirms integrity. If speed stall, pause non-essential apps to free I/O. Make sure temporary files stay on the same drive to avoid cross-disk latency. After completion, open the combined file with the application that handles the final format. This proves success. If the file fails to open or shows corruption, stop and rerun the joiner after checking each part's file size. A truncated part causes failure. Make sure file permissions allow reading. As a key troubleshooting tip, compute checksums on parts and on the output. If they mismatch, identify and replace the bad segment or redownload the missing piece before retrying the merge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.